Here's the subject matter. It's a typical air blowgun and it's broken. The trigger handle pivot looks like it was a press pin arrangement with one half missing. Let's get it into working order. I'll check the size of the hole and thread it for a screw. A number 8 tap slips in the hole, so that won't work. A tap size number 10 looks about right. According to the chart, a number 21 is a correct drill size for a 1032 tap. This one is a little shorter than the rest. It's been used before, broken, reground, and sharpened. It fits in the existing hole without much slop and almost goes all the way through. Now it goes through. The whole length of the hole is tapped. The threads cut easily. I'll blow out the chips and then run the tap through again, this time all the way. Those are some good looking threads. Here's how I'll make a 1/4 inch long screws out of 1/2 inch long screws. They're held in a couple of nuts. The nuts are held in the vise and it's configured such that the drag of the hacksaw blade will turn the screw into the nuts so it doesn't spin. The threads will get a little boogered up from being cut. The nuts will clean them up when they're screwed out. Here we have the other 1/2 inch long bolt being turned into a 1/4 inch long bolt. Exciting stuff. A file cleans up the ends and makes them just a little bit shorter. The hole in the trigger handle needs to be enlarged to fit the number 10 screw. No surprise, a number 10 bit is just right for that. This is a test fit to check the screw length. The screws will butt up against each other with just enough room for the handle. I'll add some red Loctite to the screws and tighten it down good. It's looking pretty good at this point, so I'll give it a proper Milton connector that actually fits the chuck. Here it is, all ready to do the job. Back in service using a few things already laying around the shop.